Hello traders, we have news on gold, or let me say on USD, and I'm here to trade it. It's in about 5 minutes from now. I'm not afraid of gold. I know for sure it is going to buy. Okay, the strategy is the same. Let me show you. Okay, you see that, or let me use the whiteboard. Okay, gold had been on a downtrend, and then you see this last key level, this last upper turning point, it came to close above it. Okay, let me show you. It came to close above this key level. Okay, there was also, if you switch to the 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute. Okay, there was also that one, this one. Price came to close above it, so the first entry was supposed to be there. Okay, so it's like that. Right now I'm waiting for the news. Okay, 27, it's in about 3 minutes. Okay, it's in about 3 minutes. It might sell a little bit, but then the bigger picture, it is going to buy. Okay, let me add one more trade. Okay, if it keeps selling, I'm going to add a few more trades. It might spike down to retest maybe this region, and then it's going to spike back up. Okay, let's wait for the 3 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame while we wait for the money to download. If you want the PDF, it's in the Telegram group, or in the video description you will find the link. If you want to trade with me, because I usually share my setups here. Okay, I've already shared the signal, even though it was a late entry. I've already shared it. Okay, so we are going to make the money together. Okay, let's wait for it's in 2 minutes time. Let me show you the news I'm talking about. It's retail sales. Okay, it's core retail sales right there. Those are the news I am waiting for. It's in 1 minute time. Let's go and watch the market. I know it's going to go bullish. Showcase. The strategy never fails. It never fails. I think it's about time. You can see the spread. Okay, you see that? Let's stop that alarm. You see that? See that? Just as I told you, right now I have to quickly close the trades. Okay, I have to close the trades. It's a small account. Okay, might just close everything. Let me tell them to take profits on call. Okay, I have my profits. I'm growing a small account here. Okay, this is today. This is today. It's boring trading a small account. Okay, so this is it. I told you gold was going to buy, and it did buy big. Now I want to show you something very important which I hardly talk about, and it's one thing that makes me to be so sure about any trade. Okay, let's come here to the whiteboard. Okay, remember the entry rule, but there's another thing. Let me just do this. Let's say this is price moving like this on the higher time frames, especially the 4-hour and the daily, okay, and the daily time frame. These time frames are very important. So what you do on the higher time frames, you want to make sure that you trade from the extremes. Okay, remember I have this chart. Your extremes are these levels. You have this lower extreme, okay, and your higher extreme. Some can call them the supports and resistance, but these are simply extremes. Okay, you don't have to be so perfect about them. You have to find your sell setups from the upper extreme, okay, and then your buy setups from the lower extreme. Okay, so let me just show you an example here. This was gold. I found the buy entry around here. Okay, so now it is time to check from the higher time frame. Let's just start with the 4-hour. Okay, I want you to notice where that arrow is. Okay, I found the buy setup there, and it is on the lower extreme. Okay, on the support. Okay, on another note, it would be best to find a sell setup anywhere around this region. You don't look for setups in the middle. You don't look for setups there, especially if it's news events. If it's news events and it's around the middle, what you're going to have are spikes that are going haywire. But if it's from the bottom, you find good entries that are going to spike upwards if you have a confirmation. Okay, so please keep that in mind. It is very important. Once you find a buy setup, okay, either there or there, or maybe price goes up and then comes down again and you find another buy setup there, you can even exclude the stop loss because showcase price is going to buy. Okay, so that's it for today, traders. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Thank you for watching.